Dear students, in continuation, we solve the exercise 1.3 of the test book of chapter sets. We have discussed in the previous lecture about the subsets, proper sets, proper subsets, improper subsets, power sets, and interval. So with these concepts, we solve the exercise 1.3 and first question number 1. Question number 1 of this exercise is: make the correct statement by filling the symbol of a subset or not a subset. So first is, there are two sets are given as 2, 3, 4. One set of element 2, 3, 4, and there is another set of element 1, 2, 3, and 4. Second one is first set of element ABC and second set of element BCD. Third part of this question is the given that X is a student of class 11th, X is a student of class 11th, and second set is X is at X is a student of your school. Of your school. Fourth is X is a circle in a plane. X is a circle in a plane, and second is X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1. X is a circle of radius 1 in same plane. Fifth part is first set X is a triangle in a plane. X is a triangle in a plane, and second set is the set X is a rectangle in a plane. X is a rectangle in a plane. Sixth one. X says that X is equilateral triangle in a plane. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane, and second side is X is a triangle in a same plane. S is a triangle in same plane. And seventh part is X says that X is even natural number. X is a even natural number, and second set is the set of element X such that X is an integer. So these are the seven part of this question. There are the two sets are given. We want to justify that these two sets are subset of each other or not. So by taking the first part, there are the two set, one set which contain the element 2, 3, 4 and second set which contain the element 1, 2, 3. So all element of this set lie in this set, and that is the member of this set or also member of this set. So we can say that the first set is the subset of second set. Because all element of this set also belongs to this set, so this set is the subset of this set. Second is, there is a first set which contains the element ABC and second set which contains the element BCD. So all element of set A does not belongs to set second, so this one is not a subset. The first set is not a subset of set second because the element A which do not contain by the set second. तो इसके सारे एलिमेंट इसमें नहीं है, तो ये इसका सबसेट नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वन, x says that x is a student of the class 11 or x says that x is a student of your school. So because all the student of class 11th belongs to the school, तो ये केवल क्लास 11th है, यहां पर सारे स्टूडेंट अवेलेबल है. तो ऑल स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 11th also exist in this set, या also lie in this set, या also a member of this set. So this one is the subset. The first set is the subset of this set. Because 11th क्लास के जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं वो सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट ऑफ स्कूल आ जाएंगे, तो इसके सारे एलिमेंट इसमें अवेलेबल है, तो दिस वन इज द सबसेट. नेक्स्ट इज x says that x is a circle in a plane. It means this is a set of the all circles in a plane of any radius, but this set contain only those circle whose radius is 1. So element इसमें ज्यादा है. This set contain the circle whose radius is 2, whose radius is 3, whose radius is 4, but this contain only those circle whose radius is 1. So radius of 2, a circle whose radius is 2 of this member of this set, but not a member of this set, so this is not a subset. इस सेट के अंदर हर एक रेडियस का सर्कल है, यहां पर केवल पर्टिकुलरली वो सर्कल है जिनकी रेडियस 1 है, तो इसके सारे सर्कल इसमें अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो दिस सेट इज नॉट ए सबसेट ऑफ दिस. फिफ्थ पार्ट इज x says that x is a triangle in a plane, that is all types of the triangle lie in this set. So all type of the equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle and acute angle triangle, इसके अंदर सारे ट्राइंगल है, इसके अंदर रेक्टेंगल है. So triangle not may be the member of the set of the rectangle, so this is not a subset. And sixth part is x says that x is a equilateral triangle in a plane or x is a triangle in a plane. So this one is the set of all type of the triangles. So all equilateral triangle are also lie in this set. इसमें particularly equilateral triangle है, इसमें सारे ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल है, तो ऑब्वियसली है कि इसके सारे इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल इसमें भी एप्लीकेबल है, तो दिस वन इज द सबसेट. नेक्स्ट इज x says that x is an even natural number, that is 2, 4, 6 and x is an integer. So 2, 4, 6, every natural number is an integer, so this is also a subset. यहां पर 2, 4, 6, 8 है, यहां पर 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, -1, -2, 0 एंड सो ऑन, यहां पे सब इंटीजर्स है. तो every integer every even natural number is an integer, so all the even integer lie in this set, so therefore this one is the subset of this. तो ये हमने किया है क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, एग्जामिन वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. आपने यहां पर स्टेटमेंट को ट्रू और फॉल्स वेरीफाई करना है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, first part is, first is a set of element A, B, and given that is not subset of element B, C, A. So there is a set of element AB and another set element A, this one. Second part is a set of element AE a set of element AE is the subset of element X, Y, Z. X is a vowel of the English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U. तो पहले सेट में एलिमेंट है ए ई, दूसरे में ए ई आई ओ यू. थर्ड केस इज a set of element 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. It is a subset of element 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Fourth part is a set of element A and is the subset of element A, B, C. And fifth part is a set of element A belongs to a set of element A, B, C. A, B, C. And sixth part is X, Y, Z. X is even natural number less than 6, that is it contains 2 and 4 is the subset of X is a natural number which divides 36. X is a natural number which divides 36, yani 2, 4, 6 and these X is that natural number which divide 36, so these are natural numbers. 2, 4, 6 और भी हो सकते हैं, 2 डिजिट में आप ला सकते हैं. 9, तो X is that natural number which divides 36, और भी आप लिखना चाहें लिख सकते हैं. दिस वन इज 9, 12 और 18. So all these are given relations. We want to examine these statements are true or false. First is this statement को हम देखें. AB is a set of the element AB and this is a set of the element ABC. ये कह रहे हैं कि it is not a subset but this is the false because this one is the subset of this. A ये सेट इसका सबसेट है बिकॉज ऑल एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस सेट लाई इन दिस सेट, तो दिस इज द सबसेट. ये क्या है? फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है. नेक्स्ट इज ए ई, दिस इज द सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट ए ई एंड दिस वन इज द सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट ए ई आई ओ यू, सो ऑल एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस सेट लाई इन दिस सेट, तो दिस इज द राइट और ट्रू ऑप्शन, ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. Next is 1, 2, 3 is the set subset of this one is a false statement. Why? Because all element of set A not lie in the set B. So this is not a right statement, false. There is a set A or there is a set A, B, C, all element of this set lie in this, so this one is a true statement. Next one is the false statement. Why? Because a set not belongs to a set. A set belongs to a power set. A set do not belongs to a set. Element set को belong करता है, set को belong नहीं करता है, तो this is the false statement. And now this one is 2 for subset of this, yes, so this is the true statement. So we have examined the true or false for the given statement according to the definition of the subsets. Now next question is question third. Question number 3. Question 3 is let A is the set of element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is a set of element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First of all, we observe the set or element of the set. So there is a given set of element 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is the set, but for the set A, this one is the element. ये अपने आप में सेट है, लेकिन A के लिए ये एक एलिमेंट है. और next is 5. So if we analyze this question, so we can say that 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, and 3, 4 belongs to A, and 5 belongs to A. तो हमने ये एनालिसिस किया है कि there are the 4 elements. 1 is the element of A, 2 is the element of A. This one is the set, but अपने आप में सेट है, लेकिन A के लिए एलिमेंट है, और 5 is the element of set A. So उसने कुछ हमसे मांगा है यहां पर कि which of the following statement are correct or and why. तो first statement is there is a set of element 3, 4 belongs to A. Second is set of element 3, 4 belongs to A. Third statement is set 3, 4 and double set is the subset of A. And fourth statement is 1 belongs to A. Fifth statement is 1 subset of A. And next statement is 1 to 5 subset of A. 1 to 5 subset of A. Seventh is 1 to 5, a set of element 1 to 5 belongs to A. And eighth statement is 1 to 3 subset of A. A set of element 1 to 3, a subset of A. Ninth statement is 5 belongs to A. And 10th statement is 5 is subset of A. And 10th statement, 11th statement is 5 set is the subset of A. So there are some statements are given in question number 3, or we have already observed that there are the 4 elements of the given set. So इसी के बिहाफ पे आप हर एक आंसर को बता सकते हैं. मैंने भी डिस्कस किया था 1 is the element of set A, 2 is the element of set A, 3, 4 is the element of set A, but 3, 4 is अपने आप में एक सेट है, लेकिन 5 is the element of set A. So this one is the subset of A. This is the wrong item, because we are saying that this one is the set itself, but for A it is the element. ये अपने आप में सेट है, लेकिन A के लिए तो ये एक एलिमेंट है. सो यहां पर दिस इज नॉट, ये क्या है, रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये है फॉल्स. एंड सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट इज करेक्ट, ट्रू. ये बिल्कुल सही है, बिकॉज ये अपने आप में सेट है, लेकिन ए के लिए क्या है, एलिमेंट है. नेक्स्ट इज दिस वन इज द डबल सेट, दिस वन इज द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. वाई? बिकॉज जब ये एक ब्रैकेट है यहां पर, तो ये 3, 4 अपने आप में सेट है, लेकिन इसका एलिमेंट है. दूसरा ब्रैकेट आपने बनाया है, तो दिस इज द पॉसिबल सबसेट ऑफ सेट ए. ये डबल ब्रैकेट यहां पे लगाए, ये अपने आप में सेट है, तो ये इसका सबसेट हो जाता है, तो दिस इज अ ट्रू. 1 belongs to A, it is the true statement. And fifth statement is one subset of A. This is a false element statement because element कभी subset नहीं होता. 1 to 5 is the subset of A. This is the true. We have formed a subset by taking 1, 2 and 5 element of the set A. So because all element of this set A lie in this set, so this is the correct answer, or this is the correct statement. This is a subset of A. Now this is a false statement. Why? Because this one is a subset of for A. यहां पे है तो ये false है. 1, 3, 5 is the false statement because there is no 3 individual element of this set A. One set is the member of this set, 2 is the member of the set A, but 3 is not a member of this set A, so this is a false. So this not may be subset of set A. This is a false item statement because a set do not belongs to a set, another set. एक सेट को बिलोंग नहीं करता है तो ये रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट है. बट दिस इज द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज एवरी नल सेट इज द सबसेट ऑफ a null set is the subset of every set, and this one is the true. No, this is the false because इसका ट्रू अगर लिखना है तो this one is 5 belongs to the power set A, तब ये जाके ट्रू होगा. नहीं तो अभी तो एम्प्टी सेट है और एक सेट है. दिस वन इज द सेट, दिस वन इज ए सेट, विदाउट ब्रैकेट इज ए सेट. आप इसका ये बना रहे हैं तो दिस इज द पॉसिबल सबसेट ऑफ दिस, और पॉसिबल सबसेट किस में आते हैं? पावर सेट में आते हैं. तो दिस इज द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. सो दिस वन इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन 4 है, राइट डाउन ऑल द सबसेट और द फॉलोइंग सेट. फर्स्ट में है, देयर इज ए सेट ए. वी कैन से दैट दिस इज अ सिंगलटन सेट. वी राइट डाउन द ऑल पॉसिबल सबसेट्स. तो दिस इज अ सेट, नंबर ऑफ, पहले निकाले नंबर ऑफ सेट्स. दीज आर 2 raised to the power n, that is 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. तो किसी भी सेट के पॉसिबल सबसेट होते हैं 2 raised to the power n, वेयर n इज द नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट कंटेन बाय द सेट. तो इस सेट के अंदर केवल एक एलिमेंट है, तो देयर आर द 2 पॉसिबल सबसेट्स. एंड वो सबसेट क्या होंगे? 1 is 5 और सेकंड इज इटसेल्फ 2. So these are the 2 possible subset of the given set A. Second is a set of element A and B. पहले निकाले number of possible subsets. These are the 2 raised to the power 2, because 2 raised to the power n means number of element are 2, so there are the 4 possible subsets. So 4 possible subsets, one is 5. Second is by taking only one element A and one element B, so this one, these are the subset of this set is, or fourth is set itself. So these are the 4 possible subset of this. Empty set is the subset of every set. A set is the subset of itself, और बाकी 2 सेट हमने बनाए हैं एक एक एलिमेंट को लेकर. तो these are the possible subsets. Third is, there is a set of element 1, 2, 3. First of all, find number of possible subsets. 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. तो यहां पर पॉसिबल सबसेट होंगे 8. फर्स्ट इज 5. दूसरा सेट एक एक एलिमेंट को लेके बनाए 1, 2 एंड 3. नेक्स्ट इज 2, 2 एलिमेंट को लेके सेट बनाए 1, 2, 1, 3 एंड 2, 3, और लास्ट इज इटसेल्फ 1, 2, 3. So there are the 8 possible subsets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो फर्स्ट पहले आप ये निकाल लें कि पॉसिबल सबसेट कितने विद द हेल्प ऑफ 2 raised to the power n. n means number of elements. There are the 3 elements, so there are the 8 possible subsets in which 2 subsets are standard. One is empty set or second is set itself, and others by taking the singleton set, one by taking the one element and other by taking the 2 elements at a time. Now fourth part of this question is there is a set phi. So number of possible subsets 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. In null set which do not have any elements of possible number of subsets are 2 raised to the power 0, so there is only one possible subset और वो है itself. तो the possible subset of a null set is the null set itself. There is only one possible subset. So this one is the question number 4. Next is question number 5. Question 5 is how many elements has power set A? इस पावर सेट में कितने एलिमेंट होंगे जहां पर सेट A is an empty set. A is 5. अभी क्या है यहां पर? This one is. So पहले फाइंड आउट करें नंबर ऑफ possible subsets. These are the 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. Because empty set do not have any element, so the possible subset of a empty set is the 5. So possible subsets itself 5. So power set of A, यहां पे एक ब्रैकेट आप और लगा दे तो a set of empty set, a set whose element is the empty set is the power set of A. तो यहां पर यही आपके पास एक एलिमेंट आएगा, इसी को आप कहेंगे पावर सेट ऑफ ए नल सेट. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन 6 है राइट द फॉलोइंग इन इंटरवल्स. फर्स्ट इज देयर इज ए सेट इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म x such that x is a real number, x belongs to R, where x is less than 6 greater than -4. First is write the interval in which x, the element of this set are real number and all those real number which are less than equal to 6 and more than 4. So write down this set in the set builder form. given है, roster form आप बना नहीं सकते, तो इसको केवल आपने इंटरवल से डिनोट करना है. So this one is x belongs to open close interval -4 to 6. So its answer is x belongs to open close interval from -4 to 6. That is, this set contain all real numbers more than 4 and less than equal to 6. So this is the interval of this set builder form. Second is x such that x belongs to R. These are set of number which are less than -10 greater than -12. less than -10 greater than -12. So because this is a set of the real number, अगर real number है तो आपने interval से represent करना है. So interval is x belongs to open interval -12 to -10 or x belongs to -12 to -10. It means this one is a set of all real number which are more than -12 or less than -10. Third part is x such that x belongs to R. That is a set of all real numbers which are less than 7 more than equal to 0. So there is a set of real number which are written in the set builder form. So we want to write down in the form of the interval और रोस्टर फॉर्म कह सकते हैं आप इसकी रोस्टर फॉर्म हम रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करेंगे तो इंटरवल से डिनोट करते हैं. सो एक्स इज द क्लोज ओपन इंटरवल. तो यहां से क्लोज करें 0 और 7. सो दिस मीन all the set of the all real numbers which are less than 7 और 0 और more than 0. तो ये आपके पास है. इसको दूसरे तरीके से लिख सकते हैं x belongs to close 0 to 7 and open. Next is fourth part. Fourth part है x such that x belongs to R. X is any real number less than equal to 4 greater than equal to 3. So this one is the set of all real numbers which are equal to 3 or 4 and lie between them. So its interval is close interval 3 to 4. This is the open close interval. This is the open interval. This is the close open interval. This is the close interval. ये हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. सो ए नंबर विच इज इंक्लूडेड, दिस वन इज कॉल्ड क्लोज इंटरवल. ए नंबर जिसमें रेंज एक्सक्लूड होती है उसको कहते हैं ओपन इंटरवल. सो यहां पे भी आप ले तो इसमें एक्स इंक्लूड है, 3 और 4 भी इंक्लूड है. तो दिस वन इज द क्लोज इंटरवल रिटन बाई एक्स बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज इंटरवल 3 and 4. दिस आर सेट ऑफ ऑल रियल नंबर्स lie between 3 and 4 and equal to 3 and 4. Next is question 7. Write the following interval in the set builder form. तो its converse अब आपने करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में. Now intervals are given. There is a interval, open interval 3 and 0. And question is that write this interval into set builder form. So this write down as there is a set of element x such that x belongs to R. इसका रिवर्स उल्टा यहां पर है, रिवर्स सिस्टम इसमें है. यहां पर इंटरवल गिवन है, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म आपको लिखनी है. तो x belongs to R. This is the open interval where x is less than 0 and more than -3. So this one is the set builder form of this closed open interval. Open interval है तो these limiting point are excluding, so x is less than 0 more than -3. Second part is close open interval 6 and 12. So there is a close open interval. No, this is a close interval. Close interval 6 and 12. 6 to 12. So we want to write down the set builder form. This one, its set builder form x such that x is any real number and x is less than equal to 12 or greater than equal to 6. Because this is the closed interval, तो limiting point include होंगे. तो this is the set of all real number which are 6 or 12 or lie between 12 and 6. So this one is the set builder form. Third one is interval close, open close interval 6 and 12. So write down its set builder form. There is a set of element x such that x belongs to R, x is less than equal to 12 and more than 6. This one is the closed, so 12 इसमें include है, और this one is the open, तो इसमें 6 exclude है, तो all real number less than equal to 12 and more than 6. And fourth part is, this one is the close open, minus 23 to 5. Minus 23 to 5. So this is a closed open interval. So its set builder form is x such that x belongs to R, x less than 5 but more than equal to minus 23. So we can say that this is a set of all real number which are less than 5 and more than equal to minus 23. Close है तो equal आएगा, जहां पर open है वहां पर equal नहीं आएगा. तो these are the set builder form when the intervals are given. And in question number 6 the set builder form are given and we have converted in the interval form. और इसमें interval form था given, तो यहां पर हमने इसका उल्टा रिवर्स किया है, इसमें set builder form ने find out किया. Now question number 8. Question 8 is, what interval S a set, what universal set would you propose for each of the following cases? First is set of right angle triangle. Set of right angle triangle. Second one is set of isosceles triangle. Set of isosceles triangle. What is the universal set? We know that about the universal set. Universal set is a set from, which contain all the elements from a particular criteria. जिस पर्टिकुलर क्राइटेरिया से सारे एलिमेंट उसके अंदर है, सारे डाटा उसके अंदर है, तो उस सेट को हम यूनिवर्सल सेट कहते हैं, उस पर्टिकुलर क्राइटेरिया का. तो यहां पर है कि what will be the universal set of both the sets. So their universal set is x such that x is a triangle in a plane. So this one is a triangle in a plane. It means this set contain all types of the triangle. This set contain all right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle. इसके अंदर triangle सब हर तरह का triangle है. तो this is the universal set of this particular criteria in case of the triangle. So universal set is the set of the triangle in a plane. Now question number 9 is, given a set A which contain the element 1, 2, 1, 3, 5 and there is a set B 2, 4, 6 there is a set C of element 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and there is a more given set D. No, only there are these three sets are given as contain the element 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6 and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Question is that which of the following may be considered as the universal set for all the three set A, B, C? The first option is there is a set of contain element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. Second is empty set. Third set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And fourth set is contain the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the four sets are given, and there are the three sets are as given A, B, C. Find out which one of them is the universal set of the set A, set B and set C. So we search out the universal set of set A, set B, set C, that is a set which contain all elements of set A as well as all element of set B or all element of set C. So एक ऐसा सेट जिसके अंदर A के सारे एलिमेंट आए, B के सारे एलिमेंट आए, C के सारे एलिमेंट आए, तो वो ABC का यूनिवर्सल सेट होगा. तो I think this may be third. Third set contain all element of the set A as 1, 2, 3. Third set contain the all element of set B as 2, 4, 6. And next is this element contain all element of set C 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So third set. So answer is set third. That is set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is a universal set of sets A, B and C. तो ये एक यूनिवर्सल सेट इनका यहां पर आ जाएगा. तो ये एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. इस एक्सरसाइज में हमने डिस्कस किए थे सबसेट्स, पावर सेट, नंबर ऑफ द पॉसिबल सबसेट्स एंड यूनिवर्सल सेट और इंटरवल्स. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे वेन डायग्राम एंड ऑपरेशंस ऑफ सेट्स, यानी हाउ विल यू ऑपरेट द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द सेट्स. सो हाउ विल यू एडिंग, subtracting, multiplication, division of the sets and other operations. So next lecture में Venn diagram and operation of the sets. Thank you. Goodbye.